Hello guys, this is Pete from MyJewelryBench.com, and today what we're going to do is we're going to discuss decasing and recasing a 3000 caliber Rolex watch. First thing we're going to do is we are going to start by getting our Rolex watch case back opener, and we are going to open the back of the watch. Once we get the back off, what we're going to do then is prepare to decase the watch by unscrewing the crown and leaving that loose. The next step we have to do is to loosen the two case screws. We turn these clockwise, actually tightening them down as they use reverse pressure to hold the movement into the case. So you're going to tighten those down against the movement. Once those screws are tightened down and there is no tension on the case, the next thing we have to do is press the clutch release. So we're going to push that in and remove the stem and crown from the movement. So you can see I'm using a small screwdriver to push in the clutch release, and we'll pull the complete crown and stem out. Once you've got that out, now we can rotate the movement clockwise and get these two case screws to the open notches of the case. And you'll see in a second here, just right there, that the case screw is now detached from underneath the case itself. By doing that, I can actually remove the movement from the watch. Voila! That's pretty much how we decase a 3000 caliber watch. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up, and every little bit helps me. So if you like these, please hit the thumbs up button. Okay, so once you've serviced the watch or did whatever you had to do, now it's time to recase the watch. So carefully you're going to grab the movement and you're going to put this in the exact reverse way we took it out. The case screws will go into the notched ends of the case. And you can see here I'm just kind of twisting the movement around to get it fully embedded in the case. So just be gentle with it. It'll fall into place. Once it does, we can turn the movement counterclockwise, and the case screws will be underneath the case frame itself. Now I'm going to just adjust the position of the clutch so that we can reinsert the stem and crown. So what we're going to do here is gently push the stem and crown into the watch movement and the case. Now there's a rubber gasket here, so you're going to have a little bit of pressure. Once we get that pushed in, we're going to hit the clutch release button, and that's going to allow us to reset the stem back into the movement. Once that's done, what you want to do is turn the crown and make sure that the watch winds perfectly. Once that's done, we can actually screw down the crown if we want. And here you see I'm going to screw the crown into the watch movement case, and that way I can hold it in position. Now, to tighten the movement back into the case, we are going to turn the screws, the two case screws, counterclockwise, or unscrew them. And what that'll do is apply pressure between the watch movement and the case frame. So I just do one screw at a time and gently turn that until it has enough pressure. The movement should be firmly positioned in the watch case. Last step is to put the case back on. Use your Rolex case back tightener, and then now we're going to put the band back together. First I start with getting the end cap in place. Push in the pin on one side, push in the pin on the other. It'll fall in place. Now I can set the time and date, and we're done recasing the watch. If you like these videos, guys, please hit the thumbs up button. That helps me. And if you want to see more of these, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, then you can hit the little notification bell below. You can get more information at our website, www.myjewelrybench.com, where I cover a lot of different watch repairs, both wristwatches, pocket watches, vintage and antiques, new stuff. and I also cover some jewelry stuff. There you'll find more information about me and the services we provide. Have a good day. Happy watchmaking.